Okay, the refraction of light. The next topic is refraction of light. What is refraction of light? When a light travels from one transparent medium to other, okay, at that time it deviates from its original path. This, the change in path of light at the medium of separation, it goes from one medium to other medium, is called refraction. Simply, okay, when a light travels from one transparent medium to other medium, at that time the light ray will bend to the other medium. Okay, it may be bent towards the normal or bent away from the normal, but it deviates to the other medium. Okay, that is known as refraction. Okay, for example, when we see this phenomena, when a thick glass slab is placed over some printed matter. Okay, when a thick glass slab is placed over some printed matter, what will happen? The letters appears raised when viewed through a glass slab. Okay, one more example, a pencil partly immersed in water in a glass tumbler. What will happen? It appears to be displaced at the interface of air and water. Okay, the direction of that pencil is changed. Okay, and one more, a lemon kept in water, okay, in a glass tumbler, appears to be bigger than its actual size. Okay, actual size is small, but in this refraction case it is bigger. Okay, this is the example for refraction of light. And see this diagram. See this diagram. Here PQ is the incident ray. Here PQ is the incident ray. QR is the refracted ray. Here this is the interface between the two medium. It is rarer. This is denser medium. Okay. AB is the interface between the two medium. This is the normal ray. Okay. See this one. This is the reflected ray. Reflection of light means what? Here when the light incident on the interface between the two medium, the light ray will come back to the same medium again. Okay, will come back to the same medium again. Means incident ray and reflected ray both are lie on the rarer medium only, or incident ray or reflected ray both are lie on the denser medium only. Okay, it not transferred to other medium, so both are in same medium. Okay, here it is the angle of incidence, this is the angle of refraction. This is the diagram for when incident light should be in rarer medium and refracted ray should be in denser medium. This is the diagram for incident light in denser medium and refracted ray in a rarer medium. This is a different case because here in this case, when a light incident on the rarer medium to denser medium, what will happen? Here this is a refracted ray, it should be towards the angle normal. Okay, the refracted ray towards the normal. Here in this case, I, angle of incidence should be greater than angle of refraction. I is greater than R. In this case, when incident light incident on rarer medium to denser medium, what will happen? Here this is R. Refracted ray is always moves away from the normal, away from the normal. Here in this case, refraction angle of refraction is greater compared to angle of incidence. R is greater than I. Here I is greater than R. Okay, you should know this one. Then next, refraction through a rectangular glass slab. Refraction through a rectangular glass slab. Here see what will happen when light incident on the rectangular glass slab. Here see, when is given in this. You just see this diagram. Okay. First one, fix a sheet of white paper on a drawing board using drawing pins. Okay. This is the white paper. You just imagine this on a white white paper. Okay. Then here place a rectangular glass slab over the sheet in the middle. It is the rectangular glass slab in the middle of the paper. Then draw the outline of the slab with the pencil. Okay. Here outline of this slab with the pencil. It is a rectangular glass slab. Its outline it is. Which one? A, B, C, D is the outline of the glass slab. Then take 4 identical pins. After that, take 4 identical pins. Fix 2 pins, say E and F. E and F is a 2 pin. Then vertically such that the line joining the pin is inclined to the edge AB. Okay, line joining the pin is inclined to the edge AB. Then look at the image of the pin EF. Okay, look at the image of the pin E and F through the opposite edge. Opposite edge means here. Okay, through the opposite edge. Fix 2 other pins, say G and H. G and H is the image of E and F. Got it? Such that this pin and image of E and F lie on a straight line. It should be straight line. Okay. Then remove the pin and the slab. Then remove this slab and pin. Okay. After that, join the position of tip of the pin E and F and produce the line up to AB. Okay. Next, join this E and F to AB at O. Up to AB at EF meet AB at O. Okay na? Similarly, join the position of tip of the pin G and H and produce it up to the edge CD. Here CD. Let the H and G meet CD at O dash. Okay. Join O and O dash. O and O dash also produce EF. Also produce EF up to P. Okay. As shown by a dotted line in figure. See. EF produce up to P. Okay. Here in this case, this is a diagram. EF is a 2 pin. The image of the pin is GH. Then after that, you just join the pin EF at up to O. Okay. And GH up to O dash. Then join O and O dash. And EF produced up to P. Okay. Like this. See in this. The glass slab. Okay. It is the air medium. Here medium is, first medium is air, second medium is glass. Again this is the air medium. Okay, air, glass and air. Okay, what will happen in this case? Okay, you just see the light ray has changed its direction at point O and O dash. You just see at O dash and O dash, the direction of light will change, right? Because of refraction. Okay, note that both the points, that is O and O dash, lie on the surface of separating two transparent medium. O is separate the medium air and glass, and O dash which separate the medium glass and air, right? Then draw a perpendicular N and N dash. Next to draw this line N and N dash and M and M dash. Here this N and N dash to AB at O. Okay, it is a perpendicular N and N dash are perpendicular to AB at O. M and M dash is perpendicular to CD at O dash. Okay, the light ray at point O has entered from the rarer medium to denser medium. Here see this O. In case O, rarer medium to denser medium. The light ray coming from rarer medium to denser medium. Glass is the denser medium, air is the rarer medium. Okay, the density of these mediums are different in this case. And O dash, from O dash, what will happen? The light ray has entered from glass to air, that is from denser medium to rarer medium. Okay.